Back to my channel. Today we're packing some things for Sarah to take to Disney World. Now, we are very lucky. My mom is already in Florida and she has the majority of Sarah's outfits already picked out for her and packed. So I don't have to bring like an outfit for every single day. However, we do have a few cool things that we wanted to point out. We already packed a travel day outfit, or selected a travel day outfit, and that's right here. Sarah had the great idea to write travel day on the hanger in dry erase marker so that she'll be fairly organized for the day when we leave on Sunday. So she's got her whole outfit there. There's a baby screaming in the background. Let's let him in. Why are you crying?
No.
What's wrong with you? Don't you know we're going to Disney World in a few days?
Mickey Mouse?
Who's the leader of the club that's made for you and me? Oh, he wants to go play with the light.
Yeah.
Yes, he does. No. Okay, so some other things that we did pack are a few pairs of pajamas. Also, bathing suit. We are going, it is February right now, so it might not be warm enough for swimming, but if it is, we want to be prepared. So my mom has a bathing suit for her in Florida. She has a one-piece down there already. So we have a two-piece here, as well as a cover-up. This one is so cute. It has short sleeves and a hood, and it's made of terry cloth, so it's snuggly. Oh, and also it's like the best nightgown ever. With this one, Baby Yoda. Oh, you know what, Sarah? We also have that that nightgown with Ariel and Moana. Why don't we bring that one instead of this boring one? Here it is. Show this cute one here. Isn't that cute? Shell bones. Because obviously Ariel and Moana would talk to each other on the phone.
Okay.
So anyway, we also have a bunch of socks for the whole week. And then for shoes, she's going to bring her Skechers sneakers, which are well worn in. We never wear brand new shoes on a trip to Disney World because you will hurt your feet. You always have to break your shoes in beforehand. She's also going to bring a pair of Crocs for days when we don't do quite as much walking. You're going to confuse the video viewers when showing them your dress shoes, because the dress shoes are not coming. Sarah's not going to any fancy dinners while we're at Disney World, so she's not bringing dress shoes. So she's got her sneakers, she's got her Crocs, and then we'll also bring like a pair of flip-flops or slides. What do we have over here, Sarah? You want to bring these flip-flops? Yeah? Do you want to pack these now, or should we wait till Saturday for these?
Wait.
Okay.
I'm now
I'll
zooming into Matthew's face.
I'll make a note on the list that you're going to bring those sparkly pink ones. Okay. Another important thing to note is we're coming from New York and going to Florida, so we have a heavy sweatshirt here that she'll wear on the travel days, because it's cold here in New York, but hopefully it's not as cold in Florida. It might still be chilly, especially at night in February. It's not like summertime all year round in Florida, unfortunately, but we're going to work on some toiletries too in the next couple of days. She doesn't really need a whole lot of things as a child. She'll just bring some toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, her brush. She'll bring some scrunchies for her hair. That's about it for kids. Electronics. She's gonna bring her her tablet, her Amazon Fire Kids tablet with a charger. She can bring her Wi-Fi enabled phone, which is not on a cellular network. It is just Wi-Fi, and she'll bring a charger for that. I have an external battery that we're gonna bring too. What are you gonna bring?
Aren't we gonna pack more clothes?
I don't think we need to pack any more clothes right now. Because the majority of your clothes are already in Florida.
Shush!
At Grandma's house. Why are you I'm not letting you up here. It's not happening. So sorry. And we do have to bring the baby brother on vacation too. So that's about it. Do you want to show the folks at home your ears you're wearing? Here. I'll demonstrate what they look like. We got these a couple years ago from a seller on Etsy. Just personalized. They're basic headband ears. But I thought they were cute because they were personalized. And if you're going to buy ears and you don't want to spend the $35 to $40 that Disney charges, then you can find some really cute custom made ones on Etsy or other places on the internet. And that's it. That's all I got for now. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.